someone would have told me back then all that we would go through to get to this point, I would have never believed them. What can you say about someone that you've been with for almost half your life and that you met at a time when the world didn't yet make any sense? Well, I can say a lot about you. I can say that you were by far the best thing that ever happened to me. And the only way to explain how blessed we've been to have found each other at such an early stage in our lives and lasted this long is because God had in his plans for us to be together. When I go back and I think about the time that has passed and all the memories we've shared, it all seems unreal. As with all great things worthwhile, they don't come without sacrifice, some commitment, tears, patience, mistakes, and in our case, some time apart. A lot of people say how lucky we both are to have each other. You turned a boy into a man. You taught me so much. You taught me that love is the most important thing in life. You taught me how to fearlessly stand up for what I believe in, and that the smallest things sometimes are the most important. You're an amazing woman with an amazing heart. You're courageous. You're strong, wise, fearless, loving, authentic, beautiful in and out, smart, and sometimes a little stubborn. You are many great things. To me, you are perfect. You are the sunshine of my life. There's an old Buddhist saying that says, when you meet your soulmate, remember that the act to get you guys together was 500 years in the making. So always appreciate and be kind to each other. I promise to live by these words. I promise to always cherish you. I promise to be your strength when you don't have any. To lend you an ear and a shoulder to cry on rainy days. I promise to make sure we never run out of lemons. And to not fall asleep without changing into my pajamas. I also promise to never get tired of eating rice and tuna. And I promise to be okay with having as many dogs as your heart can be content with. I promise to always let you be yourself. I promise to be the best husband possible, as I have for the past 12 years. I promise to love you fearlessly for now and forever.
I remember being a little girl and praying to God to bless me with a great husband. Never did I imagine to have met him. 17. In our 12 years together, I want you to know that everything we've been through has been by far worth it. To be able to call you my husband and in the future, call you the father of my children. I vow that in each stage of our lives, I'll appreciate you, challenge you, respect you, and support you as your best friend. I vow not only to grow old with you, but to grow with you. I have to catch my breath to believe this is real, that I am marrying the love of my life, my soulmate, and my best friend. I love the spark that is inside of you, your determination, your kindness, and your childlike heart and spirit. I am so lucky to be able to see that every day. You're my light and inspiration. You're my whole world. I saw that you were perfect, so I loved you. Then I saw that you were not perfect, and I loved you even more. I thank God every day that I have someone so perfect who loves me for who I am with all my flaws. I believe in us and the power of our love. I believe in you and everything you want to be. I also believe in myself, that with myself I am capable of loving you the way you deserve to be loved. I believe we were meant to be, so I vow today to give you all of me, today, tomorrow, and always.
big day is finally here. And now that it's finally here, I'd like to say congratulations. Congratulations. May today be the beginning of a long, happy life together. May the love you share today grow stronger as you grow old together. I am so pleased that you two have found one another. Best wishes, many blessings, and God bless always. I love you both.
I was always looking for something like that you guys have, so that's something that I always will look up to, and you guys have actually been an example to me. And I just want to thank you guys for being the way you guys are, and taking me those places. Just like, man, sure, I'm taking you. But yeah, man, I want everybody to help me give an applause to this beautiful soul that today they actually celebrate their wedding. And man, God bless you guys. And from here, man, I just want to give you guys a piece of advice. Never let the sun go down without fixing any problem, all right? Because you guys are the best, and I'll always be there for you guys. And man, God bless you.